It's not sweeting me, guys. Garis cassava is not sweeting me to eat. Last time I eat it and I think it would disturb me, but unfortunately it did not. And I was so happy of it. I'm not eating this thing since many years because I was thinking it will affect me the way it affected me last time. So today we make guys, join me. Let's demolish this food that I'm about to eat. Let's demolish it, guys. Hello guys, welcome back to my page. If you are new here, you are highly welcome to Sweet Mobile Food. You can call me Beautiful Shine for Life. If you have not followed this page, please kindly do me a favor by doing so, like and share. So let's eat. First thing is to pray. Guys, I see that the complaining is becoming too much. So I decided that today I am going to be pleasing you guys. Today we are using a spoon to eat. This is our delicacy. Let's eat. Let's see if I can please you guys. But the main thing is to eat this food is to eat with hand. But let me please you guys. Let's see if you guys will satisfy. This looks cool. Oh my goodness. It's very spicy because I make it very spicy. Very sweet. Very sweet, guys. Come. Let me shift you together. Oh my goodness. I love it. So delicious. Excuse me, guys. Looks so good. I'm be eating this food from now on. It looks so good, guys. Mm. This is the head, nothing is inside. So take it off. And the bone. Mm. Guys, I have to use my hand to wedge it, because it's a draw soup.